Here is your head and shoulders bearish reversal pattern. Gold, XAU/USD, no H1 timeframe analysis, weekly forecast, June 29, 2025. Pattern, head and shoulders bearish reversal pattern, timeframe, H1 hourly asset, gold, XAU/USD, date, weekly outlook, starting June 29, 2025. Pattern, breakdown, H1 hour lodged form around $2,365.00, $2,370.00, head peak around $2,385.00, $2,390.00, right shoulder forming near $2,365.00, $2,370.00 again. Neckline, approximately $2,355.00. Support zone. Sell entry strategy action price level XAU/USD. Note sell breakout entry below $2,352.00. Confirm neckline break with volume. Retest entry near $2,352.00. Look for price rejection on retest. First target, TP1, $2,340.00. Previous key support zone. Second target, TP232, $2,325.00 based on full H&S projection. Stop loss, above $2,370.00. Invalidates right shoulder. Weekly forecast summary. If neckline at $2,352.00 breaks cleanly, further downside likely. Price may consolidate or retest neckline before full drop. Keep an eye on fundamental events, US data, Fed commentary that could impact gold volatility. Risk management tip. Use tight stop loss and monitor 15-min or 30-min candles after neckline break for confirmation. Avoid trading in low-volume hours, e.g. Asia session, unless Tokyo gold flow is strong. Would you like a visual chart marking this pattern or want me to analyze another time frame, like H4 or daily?